Culture Shiro, Botonish and Genta, Arisa, which is Penecos. Tastresser, Sean Curran, Trastanish. So the Jason Ford, it's calling Ford. But Honish is in Trasser, he adored the Chen, Schlitzer and Chen. Pirate Gimmers, her ball or fad. Tra and Lena. Kevin Moore, McNeil Road, Moore knocked out of Ryanish. There's Mikey Kearney, Ryan, never see Mikey Kearney. Chance to the shot, Mikey Kearney was just looking. I got a goal. Calling Mikey Kearney.
On a cooler, brother, but scored against a re-score of the Chastel Godoy to upward Nottingham. Happens to have a dash in who he got better timber Classium.
Coolan fudging Tony Kelly. Kelly a bula shaka skip finch and Shane O'Donnell, Tassie fudging Shane O'Donnell again, Ogan Award, Tassie fudging Shane O'Donnell, a Gareth Shocker goal, hook at the, goal! Done, go, Shane O'Donnell. So they Lester Ryan, a bullish stock and 10 on here to TJ got reach, TJ plays gets set to calling TJ Reid! Thor calling TJ!
Yeah, well, my Ekmid of Shinarish initial lead or the taxi stock Lester Ryan, a corner lead or the stock, but we